Hello everyone, my name is Nirmal. I study in class 3B. Today I am I am going to do an experiment on colorful gel. I am using crystal powder, red color or blue color. This experiment will teach us absorption in the process when one thing becomes a part of another thing. So let's get started. I have two glasses with 25 ml water each. I am adding 2 drops in. I am adding red color in one glass and blue color in another glass. खाली लग रहा है. Now I am adding crystal powder. Half scoop I added in red, now in yellow. Now I'm gonna mix it. Can you see the bubbles? Now I will do it in this one. It's going to convert into a jelly. इसके अंदर नहीं हो रहा. It's getting converted into a jelly. The portion here was wrong, that's why it's not converted. Now the yellow one is also converted into a crystal. So in this experiment, the crystal powder is made of super absorbent material which absorbs all the colored water. In the process, the powder becomes soft colored crystals. This is the jelly form of water. Thank you everyone. Hello everyone, my name is Sanchit, class 3B. Today I am gonna do an experiment on fuzzy magic potion. And I am going to use citric acid, baking soda, yellow color and blue color. So let's get started. I have a glass of 25 ml water. So now I'm going to drop 2 drops of color food. Now I'm going to stir it. Now I'm going to put 1 scoop of baking soda and 1 scoop of citric acid in this empty bowl. First, we are gonna put baking soda. Now I'm going to add citric acid. Now I'm going to pour this water in this bowl.
Voila! The fizz is there. इधर आ, ये देख फिज। भाई ये देख फिज। So science behind this: when citric acid and baking soda are mixed in water, a chemical reaction takes place. The fizz that we saw are bubbles of a carbon dioxide gas being released. This same kind of fizz can be observed when a soft drink bottle is opened. Thank you everyone.